6.
So what is the sample space of die?
124 by 6.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and
6.
I want probability of 1.
1 by 6.
What is the reason? Number of favorable outcomes by
Total number of outcomes.
So now I want the same answer. P of even number.
3 by 3.
1 very good. So that is 1 by was the correct answer. So 2, 4, 6 are the three numbers are the that are the even numbers. So that is 3 by 6. That 3 ones are 3 to 1 by 2. That is also correct. Now probability of 7.
0 by 0.
So in sample space there is no number 7. 7. So that is by 0 by anything always
0.
So that is impossible event. The event cannot be happen. That is called impossible event. So 0 by anything always
0.
So finally we have to understand here the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is the formula for probability of an event.